Hey there, welcome to How to Login. I hope you all are doing well. Today you will learn how to log in Greenshades employee portal. Before I start this video, be sure to subscribe to this channel and do not forget to click on bell icon. So let's begin. If you are an employee of Greenshades, then you will have many features after you log in into Greenshades employee portal, like view their payroll, pay stub, and other payment related information. Set up a direct deposit. View and update personal information. Obtain pay and benefits enrollment information. Access pension plans, health insurance, and medical and dental benefits. Wonderful employee discounts. Exchange innovative ideas and thoughts. Explore new ideas. Post your problems and wait for the answers from other employees. In order to log into Greenshades employee portal, all you need to do is head towards your web browser and type greenshadesonline.com in the search bar and hit enter. Now enter your email and password, click on login. So, guys, this is how you log into Greenshades employee portal. I hope you guys liked this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you guys for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon.